Hola amigos, welcome back to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Briggs. Today we're going to learn how to ask, how's your family? How's your family doing? Courtesy goes a long way. Politeness goes even further. This is why it's so important to ask people, how are you? And once you get to know people, it shows personal interest when you ask them, how's your family? How are they doing? So if you got a close relationship with someone or you're getting to know them, let's learn how to ask them, how's your family? So I'm going to show you different examples for you to memorize and practice how to ask, how's your family in Spanish. Make sure that you listen to me carefully and copy my pronunciation. Please repeat aloud, as this will help you to memorize these sentences. But before we commence, that's right, click that button, subscribe. I cover a wide range of topics such as grammar, vocabulary. Click, click. Okay, comencemos. Let us commence. And don't forget that at the end of this video, I got a Spanish listening exercise for you to practice and to listen to this sentence that you just learned. Listen and repeat. Escucha y repite. How to say, how's your family in Spanish? If you want to ask, how's your family in Spanish, you would have to say, ¿Cómo está tu familia? ¿Cómo está tu familia? How's your family? ¿Cómo está tu familia? ¿Cómo está tu familia? ¿Cómo está tu familia? Long time no see. How's your family? Tanto tiempo. ¿Cómo está tu familia? 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 If you want to ask or say, tell me, how's your family? Then you would say, dime, ¿cómo está tu familia? Dime means tell me. Dime, ¿cómo está tu familia? Tell me, how's your family? Dime, ¿cómo está tu familia? Another example, otro ejemplo. By the way, how's your family? Por cierto, ¿cómo está tu familia? Por cierto, ¿cómo está tu familia? Por cierto, ¿cómo está tu familia? By the way, how's your family? Por cierto, ¿cómo está tu familia? How's your family? ¿Cómo está tu familia? ¿Cómo está tu familia? ¿Cómo está tu familia? Repeat, repite. ¿Cómo está tu familia? Excelente! The time has come now for our Spanish listening exercises. So get ready to start practicing and sharpening your listening skills. Fantástico! Okay, time for our Spanish listening exercise. Are you ready? ¿Estás listo? Muy bien. Comencemos. Let us commence. Let us begin. Aquí vamos. We're going to count to 3. Vamos a contar hasta 3. And then we'll put our Spanish caps on and we'll start thinking, speaking, and listening in Spanish. 1, 2, 3. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Tanto tiempo. ¿Cómo está tu familia? ¿Están bien? Excelente. Qué bueno. Me alegra mucho. Tantas lunas. sin verte. Qué bonito encontrarme contigo una vez más. Cuéntame, ¿cómo está tu familia? ¿Cómo está tu papá? ¿Cómo está tu mamá? ¿Cómo están tus hermanos? ¿Cómo está tu hermana? Espero que estén bien. Mi familia está muy bien. Yo tengo una familia bastante grande, pero particularmente en Chile. Yo tengo también familia aquí en Australia, aunque en Australia somos una familia más pequeña, pero muy cercanos. ¿Cómo está tu familia? ¿Están bien? ¿En qué parte del mundo viven? ¿Viven cerca de ti o viven en otros países? Cuéntame. ¿Cómo estás tú? Bien, me alegra mucho saberlo. ¿Cómo está tu familia? ¿Bien? Mándale muchos saludos de mi parte. Mándales calurosos saludos de mi parte a todos ellos. Muy bien, amigos. I hope you were able to understand some of this. If not, do not despair. I will be adding some subtitles and you will be able to follow along both in English and Spanish. Don't forget that I got approximately 800 videos covering a wide range of topics. If you go on my YouTube channel, you will be able to find at the top a tab that reads Playlists. If you click there, you're going to find a lot of videos that you might have missed in the past. Some of them cover grammar, some of them pronunciation, vocabulary, stories, even songs. Can you believe that Mr. Brigs sang a few songs for you? See if you can find them. Okay, my dear friends, tell me, where are you watching from? What city? Where in the world are you? ¿Dónde estás? I want to know. Quiero saber. Leave me a comment, leave a message, and if you have any suggestion, don't forget that you can let me know by typing your comments. If you're struggling with a specific area of the Spanish, don't hesitate to let me know. I'm more than happy to note it down, and in that way, you will be providing me also with feedback for my new videos. So in that way, I will be listening to your needs as well. Excelente, my dear amigos. It's been a pleasure seeing you once again. Please take care, and I'll see you once again very soon. Ciao, ciao.
Hello.
And by the way, amigos,
Hey.
if you haven't seen
Hello,
my
Tommy.
podcast, I have actually uploaded one of my first
muy
videos
bien.
interviewing a
Hola.
travel
Great.
blogger,
Nice surprise to
Sabbatical.
see you, amigo.
He's traveled to many Spanish-speaking countries around the
that was
world
nice
and many
connecting.
interesting places. Check it out. I think you'll enjoy it.
So you're in Australia.
That's right. I mean,